Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. It's Zoo. Today we'll be watching Lisa's music video on the FIFA song for FIFA World Cup 2026, and there'll also be the live performance of it. So yeah, without further ado, let's get into the video. Let's go. I don't know anything about FIFA. I just know that it's soccer, football. I didn't expect FIFA Lisa to be singing in it, so here we go. Ooh, goals, girl. Whoa, I did not expect it to be so seductive, but I love it. That's so freaking catchy. And did I just see La Boo Boo? Why? Ooh. You look so good and you also sound so good. And I think it's Lisa and Anitta and Rema singing. So far, I think I only see Lisa. Ooh. Girl! Goals. Wow. I feel it is such a seductive song for a football song. Goal! I expected to be more of like a jumpy, cheery song. Whoa. The fire's so pretty. Goals. And I think this is the other singer. Girl. I actually don't know anything about football moves at all, so I'm sorry if I don't comment on any of that. I'm only focused on their singing and how they look, which is freaking beautiful. Goals! Goals! I can't take the La Boo Boo over. Oh, I just realized the time stamp thingy. It's a football. What? That's so cool. But yeah, I can't take the La Boo Boo there. Why? Goals. This is the other third singer. Ooh. Woo. Go. Wow. The pose, though. I feel like this song is not my expectation of a football song. Maybe if it's the cheerleading vibe. Yeah. But Lisa's so freaking beautiful though. Not to comment whether this song suits a football song or not, but Lisa, she sounded really good and she looks really good. I don't think I have seen her in this kind of like cheerleader-ish sport. Is it cheerleader-ish? No, it's like a car model kind of outfit. Yeah. I've never seen her in this kind of outfit before and I love it. A feast for my eyes. Did I holding back drools? But yeah. Now we will watch the live performance. The opening ceremony. Not any ordinary live performance, it's the opening. Is this the dance choreography? Ooh. Wow. GOOO's opening. I love her outfit though. You do look so good. Goals. Goals. Ooh. Girl, don't look at me like that. Oh. Oh. So many people. Wow. The amount of background dancers though. Goals. You are goals. I don't know why, for some reason I expected them to perform in, like football uniforms in a sport outfit. Not like proper concert outfits. That cup is massive. Whoa, and they're like little buildings. You are goals. So shiny. Ooh. FIFA. They did hire a lot of people. And there's even like firework thingies. So cool. With the golden ball. I wonder though, do they play football in this? It's what, but the grass is covered. Do they have to like take this off later on so that they can play football on there? Or not? Or are they playing in a different field? It can't be, right? I don't know. I'm very, very clueless when it comes to sports. I'm just here for the performance and the music. Yeah, that was the music video and the opening ceremony live performance for, it's a song called Goals, I think it is, by Lisa, Anitta, and Rema. Yeah, if you like the video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. If you like anime, check out my anime channel. The full video will be up on Patreon for this. All my links to social media and stuff will be in the description and comment section. Thank you so much for watching this with me, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!